How to make tiger nut, coconut, and dates rejuvenating milk, guys.
Hello viewers, welcome back to Machine Art channel, and if you're joining us for the first time, welcome. Today we will be making rejuvenating coconut, tiger nuts, and dates milk, guys. You can take this milk at any time of the day. One good thing with this milk is that it is very natural. The things we're using is coconut. You know, coconuts can be eaten raw. We have tiger nuts. Tiger nuts can be eaten raw. We also have dates. Dates is a source of sugar. It's a sugary fruit. We use it to sweeten the drink. It is also an energy booster. If you are the type that exercise, this is one very beautiful fruit for people that exercise. You can blend dates, guys, and you do what? You sieve it. Then after exercise, just drink it. You just notice that your energy will come back immediately to your body. You understand? So it is packed up with monosaccharide sugar that can easily be digested by the body system. This sugar will be converted to energy. Then the energy is in form of what? Glucose. So when you have glucose in your body, the glucose will be converted to energy. Then if you have excess glucose, the glucose will be converted to glycogen, and when your body needs energy again, it will convert the glycogen to glucose, and it will be converted to energy. Energy is simply the ability to do work. While coconut milk can freshen you, the oil in coconut milk can do what? Can even moisturize you. Then you know we have the sebaceous glands, right? The sebaceous glands are not supposed to always be dry, kind of. They produce their own oil. Oils such as coconut oil can also be good for the sebaceous glands. If your sebaceous gland doesn't produce enough oil of its own, you are going to come down with dry skin. So that's one of the importance of consuming oil. However, if you consume excess oil, you can also be faced with the problem of acne, as you're going to be sweating down fat, and the oil will be what? You have to be washing your skin consistently. If not, it will clog your pores, and when your pores are clogged, what will happen? You will have acne, guys, because your skin needs to breathe. Your skin needs to perspire. Well, your nose breathes. That's respire. The skin breathes by perspiring. All right. So what you will do is to add a little bit of clean potable drinking water and blend this tiger nut and proceed to what? Proceed to sieving it. After sieving it, you add a little bit of turmeric. There is absolutely no need to add sugar because it already has date fruit. Guys, this is my coconut milk blend. It is a mixture of tiger nuts, dates, and coconuts. I will be adding 2 oranges. I'll squeeze 2 oranges into this milk to serve as a source of vitamin C. Then I'll be showing you what it looks
Guys,
like.
our tiger nuts, coconut, and dates milk is ready. You know, this milk is a very popular milk in Nigeria, and I also blended it with what? With orange. This is what we call madaran dabino, kwakwa, da kuma aya in northern Nigeria. So ka gani, guys, in ka samu ɗan blend wannan madaran, wannan milk ɗin, in ka tura kai mata ɗan wata mixture, a sa ɗan wata irin orange lemu, kun gane, sai a mata mix mai kyau, a ɗura kawai a sha da yamma ko da safe ko da rana. You understand? You are going to absolutely enjoy this. I'm going to sip and tell you what it feels like, all right? Mm. I just sipped this, man. This is the bomb. This is good. This is good. So a sha madara, a ji daɗi. All right, guys, see you on our next video.